Check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words, where we follow trading, traveling, and training. Before I get into today's quick video, please do hit the subscribe button down there. It will really help us to build the channel. And thank you to everybody who has joined over the last couple of days. Really appreciate your support here. So just want to look quickly at yesterday's action, the 22nd of March, for our favorite meme stocks, AMC and GME. Looking quickly then at AMC and what happened. Well, we had a drop right from the beginning. We fell to almost within 40 minutes, we had hit the low of the day, which was around the $11.80 mark there or thereabouts. And we never really got going from there. We consolidated all across the day. I'll just mark this up for us so that you can see. I mean, it's easy to see anyway. So from the low of the day, we had this channel of, let's call it consolidation here, right through to the end of the day, finishing at 12.49. So a pretty uneventful day, quite a drop really. And there's a reason for that. I believe the reason for that is, if we go here, the filing with the SEC and the details of the next annual meeting of stockholders on the 4th of May. May the 4th be with you. And it's item number 1, to approve an amendment to our third amended and restated certificate of incorporation to increase the total number of Class A common stock the company shall have the authority to issue by 500 million shares to a total of just over 1 billion shares of Class A common stock. So it does say there, have the authority to issue. It doesn't say that they will issue them immediately into the market. But nonetheless, it looks like that has weighed on people's minds. It's brought the price down. And I guess now people are deciding whether to vote in favour or against that proposal. Personally, I have no opinion on it. You have to go and make your own mind up. And I'm just going to leave it there. So I'll link this document in the description below. If you want to go and read it, which I recommend everybody does, then, you know, just click on the link and follow it to the SEC site. So today, what do I expect to see? Well, in pre-market, it's already down. And I know I say on this channel, like, don't get too excited about pre and post market because trading is limited. So I'm not going to take too much notice of it. But do I think the bears have got some momentum back? Yes, I do. And I think it's just now a case of watching and waiting and seeing what happens over the next few days, whether, you know, there's another increase in price or whether we continue on this little downtrend that we are starting to see now. So yeah, take from it what you will. This we've not managed to maintain that $14 mark. We've dropped down significantly there from there. So we'll see. I mean, obviously, like I said, I believe that filing with the SEC, that stockholder vote is critical in this phase. Over to GameStop. Again, you know, a sell-off in the morning, not unexpected from my side, and then, you know, another period of consolidation. It was good to see that we bounced off. Where are we? We bounced off the 180. High 180 area a few times, so it looks like that is a good level of support. And then a bit further back, we have another level of support at around the 170 area. So not too worried about that at the moment. I did like to see this little bit of volume coming in right at the end, which gave us a push to a close of 194.49. So down overall on the day. Points to note here on the chart, I've just seen we have the crossover of the oh, that's a big one. The crossover of the 50-day MA onto the over and above the 200-day MA just there, which is generally a bullish signal. Again, this is the 1 minute chart, so you know you always have to take it in context. And I think if you look back, again we talk about this here. If you've got to take the wider view. Let's have a look at the hourly chart, see where that takes us. And again, you can see over time. Right, there's two things I want to show you here. So we've got a nice long-term cup and handle, which I can see here. Rectangle. So if I just fill it in here, so there's the body of the cup there. And then if we put a channel on there, you can see that we've got a nice handle there. So again, it's a bullish signal. The body of the cup, whoop, and the handle. So we'll see. But overall, again, you've got to take everything in context. And yes, everything was down. But if you look at this, there you go. We are on an uptrend. Okay, I'm gonna say that this area here, I'm gonna kind of I'm gonna discount this a little bit here. This area here. Let me just get me. So new chart, still trying to work out how to move everything around. But this area here, where we had this significant rise, I'm discounting that because I'm following the trend as if this line would continue all the way up there. For me, that's a lot better. Slow and steady, not too concerned that we've dipped down here. We'll see what happens. This bit of a pump and dump maybe. If you follow the trend line, we're going in the right direction. So what's coming up today for GameStop? A significant day after hours because they will be releasing fourth quarter and fiscal year earnings, expected to be better than forecast. So we'll see about that. And there may be some other news revealed in there. There's talk about Ryan Cohen taking a bigger part in the board and the way that the company's run. So will that play out? Will that come out? Who knows? Let's see. So that's basically it for today. Again, don't get too discouraged by the drop in price over the last couple of days. It's the stock market. It has ups and downs. Do take everything for what it is. Don't get too stressed about it. Again, only put in what you can afford to lose. Get out when you've made enough to suit your own circumstances, and don't ride anybody else's hype train. Okay, troops, that's all I've got for the summary for yesterday. I will be live streaming today for Market Open from 9:30 Eastern Time, 2:30 Central European Time, 1:30 Greenwich Mean Time. So if you are around, please do jump on and say hello. It would be great to meet some of you subscribers in the chat room. And I look forward to giving you some more content. All right, troops, that's it. So wherever you are in the world, please stay safe and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, troops.